Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how the way to remove a background from your image, and then you can use the background from your image or as a background to your page like this. Okay, so let's jump to the tutorial. First, insert the image that you want to remove the background and use it. For example, I will try to use maybe this one. Okay, after that you can click the image like this and then click the Magic Studio button and click this Magic Grab. And as you can see, there's when you click the Magic Grab button, there will be a suggestion which object that you need to remove. You can click it, and click it like this, and then click Grab and wait for a moment. Let the tools work in. And after the tools finish removing grabbing the image, and now this is the result of your image. This is the object that the Magic Grab tools grab, this one, and this is the background. So if you want to use this background as your background onto your page, you can just click these three dots and then set image as a background, and you can remove this object like this. And as you can see, now the object from the image that I insert onto this page before is already gone. And now if you want to make a new image or adding a new object, you can just insert a new image like this. And for example, I will adding this image and then click it and open the Magic Studio one more time, and then click the BG remover. This one is for removing the background, but for this one is for separating the background and the object on your image like that. And then decrease the size of the frame, and now adjust the size of it like this, and wait for a moment, and there you go. This will be the result that you get from using Magic Grab Magic Grab tools on Canva. So you can separate the object and your background from your image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.